this is Simi Bella again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy today because I have finally crossed 1,000 subscribers, and I'm thankful to each and every one of you who have subscribed. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And as promised, today I'm going to do a haul and a giveaway. Like last time, the giveaway this time is also divided into 3 sections. So it will be set 1, set 2 and set 3. And the rule to qualify for this giveaway is very simple. First, subscribe to my channel. Second, follow me in one of the social networking sites. Third would be to share this particular video, and yeah, comment down below which set do you like. So these are the only things that you need to do. So let's get started with the first set. In my last giveaway, when I gave away a bag, it was liked by so many of you, so I've included bags this time as well. So this is the first set. It comes up with with this particular thing. It's a white colored bag. I really liked it. Yeah, so I bought the same bag for one of my cousins as well, and I sent it back home, and this is for the giveaway. So it has this golden detailing in the front and this tassel here. It has a zipper in the back, so you can keep your loose change. So it has 2 buttons here, and you have this pocket here on the front, and then you have a zipper. When you open it up, you have this sling. So you have this one, you have this one, you have a zipper here, then you have this front portion, and then you have a back portion. And you can just sling it up like this, shorter way, or you can just lengthen it here and make it into a longer one. I really liked it. I mean, it's such a nice, cute bag, and this goes in the first set. The second item in the first set is this top. It is such a nice pink top with a black detailing in the front, and the same black thing goes around on the shoulders as well. And then you have this buttony hole again on the back. So this is a medium size, I think, medium to large, and it is a really nice, simple but yet very bright, colorful top. Yeah. The next thing in the set, which will be included in all the 3 sets, are these jeans shorts. So somebody had commented last time to include jeans shorts as well. So I'm doing that in this particular giveaway. So this is a large size. Then I have a medium as well as an extra small. I couldn't get small, so I got an extra small. So this is a large size, and it is a very simple jeans with this patch in the back and 2 pockets in the front and the back. So it's a standard jeans short, nothing much to it. The next thing that I want to show you in this particular set is this necklace. So this is a pink thread and metalwork necklace. So it's quite short. It will not come around here. It will be higher up. It will be the 4th piece in the set. The last thing in this set is this very cute clutch, hair clutch, and I got this from Nagaland Emporium in CP. So it's a very standard thing. You can just take your bunch of hair inside and then lock it with this particular thing, and then it stays like that. Yeah, so this is a typical symbol of Nagaland horns. So these are the 2 horns. So in the first set you have this bag, white bag, and then you have this top, pink top, this jeans short, the necklace, and the hairpiece. So I'll start with the second set. The first piece in the second set is also a bag. So I got this bag from Janpat. It was quite inexpensive, to be very honest, so I got it. So this is the bag. It has this golden detailing going on in the front, and it has this thing here, and you have the you can carry it like this as well, or else you can use it as a sling bag. And then you have you can open it like that, and then you have this big compartment which is separated by this small thing. I don't know, it's not very nice. So this is the thing that separates it. It's a zippered one, and that's it. I think it doesn't have a zipper in the back, which is quite sad because I really like bags with zipper on the back. However, it's really pretty as well. The next thing in this particular set would be this. So this is a top it's in the size medium, and it has this very nice detailing here on the waist. So there's this rubbery thing here, not very tight, so it's really comfortable to wear, I think. And it is sheer on the top, whereas you don't have to wear an inner inside, because from here it is quite black. It's a simple black top and I really liked it. Yeah, something that you can just wear it and with a jeans or with a skirt or with a short, etc. The next thing is this short. So this is the extra small or small one. So even if it doesn't fit you, I'm really sorry, but I couldn't get the bigger size. You can maybe give it to your sister or to your niece. So yeah, so this is the jeans shorts, and it again is a very simple one. 2 pockets in the back. There's a little bit of ripped portion here, but it's not see-through, so that's a good thing. The next item is this top. Again, this is a spaghetti top. It has this detailing in the front. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bit of shimmer and embroidery work going on. Yeah, so it has it all over in the front. The back is simple with this rubbery thing attached so that it is adjustable. So yeah, this is also a simple pink spaghetti top which can be worn with this. So you can pair these shorts, wear this thing and carry that black clutch, and it will look really good. Or wear these shorts, wear this top and again carry the black clutch, and this will also look quite good. So in the second set you have this black purse and these shorts, this black top, this pink top and this hair clutch again. So let's start with the last set. The first thing in the last set starts with this. So this is in the size medium, I think. It's like a straight dress. It's mid-length and it's, I think, in the size medium. And it has this very nice sleeves which ends up in these 3 buttons, if you can see it. I don't. Yeah. This is full of prints, so you cannot really see it properly. So what I like the most about this dress is the back. So it's like this, and it has this thread thing, so your back will be a little bit visible in the V shape, and you have this thread thing that you can tie it into a bow, and that's so cute. So this is such a nice dress that you can wear it anywhere. You don't need to think twice when you wear this and go to a market. The next thing that I'm going to show you is this necklace. It's so pretty. Yeah, so this has this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers of, I mean, beads and metal, etc. And then you have this thing here, and then you have this adjustable clutch, and I really liked it. It has a very subtle shine to it. It's not like too tacky, but it is really subtle, therefore I like the shine as well. The next thing that I got is this very beautiful top. This is an off-shoulder top that is very in nowadays. You can get these in everywhere, in Janpat or Sarojini, etc. You get the thread one as well, but then I got this one because this was so pretty and it's very subtle. I mean, the color is very subtle. So yeah, this is an off-shoulder top. You can just wear it like this, off-shoulder, or you can just put it on top if you're not very comfortable with off-shoulder dresses. Yeah, so this would be the next top in this particular set. The next thing that I will show you is this shorts again. So like the earlier 2 shorts, this is also one of them. This is in the size medium to large, I think, I'm not sure. And this is also again the standard denim short. So what you can do is you can wear this denim short and then maybe you can wear this top, and it will look really nice. The next thing that I want to show you is this halter top. I mean, I really like these kind of top to wear at home. It has the same rubbery thing on the back. It has this buttons in the front, and it has this design on the bottom of the top. I really like these designs. If you can see it. Yeah, so you can wear this as well when you wear the shorts, or you can just wear it at home while sleeping. I generally wear these kind of halter top when I sleep because it's so comfortable during summers. It's made purely of cotton, so it will be very comfortable. You can otherwise, if you're comfortable, you can wear it outside as well with your jeans and maybe carry a sling bag or those rucksack bag, school bags kind of thing, and you look so pretty. So yeah, so this would be the next thing in the set. And the last thing in this particular set would be this clutch. I think people who have seen my Manipur haul will know about this. This is a product of Manipur, my hometown. So this would be in this particular set. It's a very simple bamboo straw clutch. Yeah, so it opens up like this, and then just carry it with you like this. It will be so pretty. Yeah, so in the last set consists of this bag, this top, this short, the beautiful necklace, and the off-shoulder top, and lastly this very beautiful dress. Yeah. So I hope you like all the things that I've shown today, because it's meant to be a giveaway. I'm really hoping that you do like them. And to enter the giveaway, subscribe, follow, and then share this particular video. Also, please comment down below which set do you like the most according to your preference. So if you like set 1 the most, write set 1, and then if you like set 3, then write set 3. So set 1, set 3, and set 2, so that I am known to your preference and I can send you the products accordingly. As for the winners are concerned, out of the 3 winners, I will choose one of them. So one would be of my choice, but the second and the third winner would be completely random. So I'll be putting all your names in a bowl, and then I'll just pick the lucky 2. So yeah, so 1 would be chosen by me, 2 would be completely lucky. If you liked the video, please do subscribe, give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!